Well, if your snowblower didn't start today because you left the fuel in the carburetor last season, this season, after you fix your carburetor, you can install the CleanCarburetor purge valve, so you'll never have this problem again. I'll show you how easy it is to do that. Remove the main retaining screw on the bottom of the carb, and you replace it with the CleanCarburetor purge valve. So that purge valve will inject a purge gas inside the carburetor and remove every single drop of fuel that's going to be left at the end of the season. You might want to check the inside of your bowl to see if it's clean. And not, this is clean. Just make sure that it goes back where it was, and then you take the purge valve, the clean carburetor, and you secure the bowl back to the body of the carburetor. And just snag the screw now way too tight. Just gently. And now with the Purge Carburetor Kit, at the end of the season, you'll inject a pressurized gas inside the carb and take all the remaining fuel from the inside of the carb. With that, your carb is going to be left like in new condition, and your engine is going to start for sure next season. At the end, you can place the sticker on your engine, just to leave a note and reminder that this engine is equipped with the CleanCarburetor Kit, the only one available kit out there that's going to remove the entire amount of fuel and ethanol and leave your carb like in a new condition at the end of each season. Please visit us at www.cleancarburetor.com.